So hello everyone, welcome back. This is week 4 class of Red Teaming Code by Sutrabyte. So guys, any doubt from previous session? Hello, am I audible? So in last session we covered about reconnaissance and network discovery, port discovery and session discovery. In that we just learned about how to use ARPScan and how to use Nmap. That's it and nothing. I will just show you the recap. So this is the recap. We just use this command to discover the IP of this our victim machine, and this is the command of nmap we used to detect the version and protocol running on our target machine. So this is the -sc flag for service and version detection. Only this was covered till now. Oh, sorry, one second. Is my screen visible now? Okay. So in the previous session, we just learned about how to discover the IP and how to scan the IP. So in for discovering the IP, we used arpscan-l command to discover the IP of all the machines running on the VMware. And this is the IP. This is the network scanning IP command. This is the nmap command we use for network scanning, and this is the -sc flag for service and version detection. Only this was covered up till now. Have you won't see the video? You haven't seen the video on YouTube? Okay, please watch it. So now today our topic is weaponization and payload creation. So let's start with today's session of weaponization and payload creation. So tell me, what do you understand by the term weaponization or payload creation? Please tell me. Okay, yes. Yes, you are right. Payload creation means to creating a malicious script which we use to get access of the victim machine. Okay, so let's start with this. So learning objective, I in this course we don't use the MSF Venom. We just use simple and Metasploit payloads to get access. So let's talk about the payload taxonomy and classification. So first is stage, which is stageless payloads. So stage means multi-part delivery, small initial size. Means it is a compact size with multiple handlers. And the stageless means the self-contained, large but complete. So in this, the payload is large in size and contain all the access which we are required, just like reverse shell access and anything. So the shell type, there are two type of shell types. There's one is the reverse shell, one is the blind shell. Blind shell means we directly interacting with the target, and reverse shell means we are indirectly connecting with the target. Okay, got it. Okay, so this is the msf command venom command, but we didn't use it. We just use some, we simply use the msf venom, but these are the ports we use. Like the lhost port means the attacker machine port, Lhost means our port. Our lhost means our attacker machine IP address, and lport means our listening IP post. Listening connection means lhost and lport is for our attacker side, and r host and r port for the victim side. Okay. So what are the steps to test the payload? So first we will locally test in an environment, then we do the execution prevention, and then we use the checksum verification. But in this course we didn't use any of these. We just simply use some of the exploits on Metasploit. This is of no use to us in this course. So this is the delivery vector planning. So we'll use the file upload or any reverse shell technique to get the shell, and then we use the command execution, and then we use our operations like command and control, harvesting credentials, etc. So this is the demo of the MSF Venom, but we don't use it. You can see it here, you can see it if you want. I will just zoom it. This is the command. We first generate the MSF Venom shell file, and then we will use the file properties very verified, then we will execute it. In Metasploit, we first use the command use to. This is the command for MSF exploits, Metasploit. So first we will use the use command. For the use command, we will choose the exploit we want. Then we will set the payload, just like one payload from this exploit. We will set it up, and then we will set the R host, R port, L host, and L port, and then we will just click on the exploit. Don't worry, we will do it practically also. So so let's start with the practical. So our first step is to discover the IP. For this we will use the rscan. Then we will just use the scan command and nmap to scan the network, and we will get bunch of hosts and ports open on this Metasploit machine. So let's search one of some exploit on it. So first we will use the tool search exploit. So we will use the command search exploit. So first we will look about the VFTPD, VSFTPD. So we will just copy it and paste it over here. S- So in this machine, the search exploit is not available. So we will use the MSF console to search for the vulnerability. So let's wait for it to load. So till now, have you got any error or any doubt in it? Guys, please tell me, have you got any doubt till now? What we are doing and what was our plan today? Okay, maybe there is a spelling error of such exploit. Oh, sorry, I just let's again search exploit. Let me check the spelling. I think there is a spelling error. Okay, let me try with sudo. Okay, let's try with sudo. No. Okay, don't worry. We will use the MSF console to search for the vulnerability. Leave it. Leave the search exploit. So here we got the MSF console. So let's use the search command to search for the vulnerability. So here you can see there is a backdoor available. Have you seen it? Yeah. In my Parrot, it's not installed, but in Kali Linux, it's installed. So let's continue with the MSF console. So here you can see this is the exploit we will use in this. So to use this, we will use the command 0 because this the number is 0. The index number is 0. So we will use the use command 0. So here we can see the payload is successfully attached, and we will now use the show options command to get the all options required in it. So here you can see there is no need of lhost or lport. Here we can see you must see that required. In this, the chost and cport is not required. The proxies is not required, but the rhost and rport is required. So in this, now we will just use set the rhost. So we'll use the command set rhost and then the IP 192.168.146.136. So let's verify this IP is correct or not. So here you can see this is the correct IP of our target. So now we use the command enter, and here you can see the R host is connected to the target IP. R host is properly set. So now let's again use the show options command. So here you can see the R host is successfully set. So now we will use the command exploit to exploit the vulnerability. Yeah, see this. We found a shell, and the backdoor is services has been reswapped. We get the session. We got the session. Now I will use the command who am I. So here you can see I got the session as root. Means we got the root privileges. Have you got till now? Okay, for today we will just leave up to this. Um, like how to how to gain a session and etc. In the next session we will just learn about the how to maintain session and how to do command and control in it. Okay. So Shubha, any doubt till now? Otherwise, we will just wind up the session. And anything you want to ask, any doubt or any topic you want to discuss? Yeah, thank you so much. So, okay, very good. So, Shubha, are you practicing or not? Till now, what we have did, have you practiced or not? Okay, you know all this means you have practiced earlier. Okay, very good. So, okay, let's wind up with the session and meet you in the next session on week 5. Okay, so thank you for joining, Shobha. We will meet in the next week. Okay, goodbye.